CSS transitions. What can you do with them? What can they be used for? There are a number of different things that CSS3 transitions can be used for. Today I want to explain a couple of ways to use the transitions to give your site a much better user experience. The first way I'd like to explain is for hover effects. When applying a change to an HTML element with a pseudo class, such as hover, active, or focus, you can apply a CSS transition so that the change occurring to the element happens over a period of time rather than suddenly, usually less than 1 second. In this example, you can see this happening to this HTML element. In this case, a style div. As you can see, there is an element, and upon hovering, there is a change that occurs to the margin top to make it jump up. This could be used in a number of ways, but what I want to accomplish is to make the element slide up instead of jump up. So let's apply this transition to the div to make the margin top change over the period of 0.4 seconds. Notice the word margin top in the CSS. This applies to only the margin top. To apply to all changes, simply put all rather than margin top. Now let's see our result. Now you'll see a beautiful sliding motion, much more fluid and fun to play with than the previous hover effect. Now think about ways you could implement this in a real website. I'd like to show you an example. In this example, I want to show you a marketing website that I built. Here you can see the different product packages. Look how nicely each container slides up and down upon hovering here on the dock. Now the second way to use these transitions is for adding or changing classes using jQuery or JavaScript. To do so, simply add the same code to the class that will be changing or being modified. Here's an example from the same marketing website. Clicking this button will add a class to an invisible div element to make it visible over the period of 0.4 seconds as well. You can see how fluid and beautiful the motion is as it fades into the screen and disappears. Thanks for watching the tutorial, and please use CSS3 transitions. It will improve your user experience.